In the realm of fashion, every handbag tells a story of victory. A true fashionista fights his battles with style. Handbags are the silent armor of the modern warrior. In the battlefield of trends, style is the ultimate weapon. A true warrior knows the value of impeccable style. The war on dullness is fought with bold style and fierce handbags. In the battle of fashion, a handbag holds the secrets to success. Fashion warriors carry their essentials in chic handbags. Welcome to the channel, and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags. Hey gals and guys, welcome back to the channel. It's the Mad Hatter. I hope everybody is having a wonderful day wherever you are in the world. Today in the South, it is another flood day. It flooded all day yesterday, and then today it just started flooding again, so another torrential downpour here for us. I did speak to Noah about 5 minutes ago, and he said he'd be here in about 10 minutes to pick me and the 4 cats up, so looking forward to that. With all joking aside, if you hear some thunder outside, that's exactly what it is that flood. So if you hear anything, that's probably what it is. You may see some lightning, who knows? With all that being said, y'all, I did decide to go ahead and make light of the day and go ahead and film this review for y'all. So this is a review on a new bag that I just got, and it's from NaomiCrafted.com. I just did a review on one of her bags recently on a smaller bag. It's this little bag right here. I'm sure everybody has seen that if you watch the channel. It's such a cute little bag, and it's one of the Hèrmes Dustbag creations that she uses, a Hèrmes dust bag, and she repurposes the bag and uses her own leather and everything else to make these beautiful creations. But today is another one of her beautiful creations. It's a bigger tote, so I'm going to show you that. But before I show you the bag, I do have to say thanks to all of my returning subscribers. Thanks for coming back and watching my content. I do appreciate each and every one of y'all. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead while you're here, hit that subscribe button, and go ahead and hit that bell notification so you'll know each time I post. Also, if you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, hop on over and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Rumble channel, and now X as well, which used to be Twitter. And for everything else Mad Hatter, go ahead and follow my direct me. It's the first link under my YouTube bio. Lots of great information there as well. And if everybody can just take a moment to give this video a like, it really does help my channel to grow, and I appreciate every thumbs up. With that being said, y'all, let me tell you a little bit about Naomi Crafted and Naomi Jones. Alright y'all, so this is NaomiCrafted.com. This website is created by Naomi Jones. She is an artisan and a mother, and she creates these beautiful creations out of repurposed luxury items, dust bags, and other accessories as well. Her creations are unique and one of a kind as well. I encourage you to go on NaomiCrafted.com and check out some of the beautiful creations that she has posted for sale. Naomi has such a wide variety of bags and accessories, and each one is handcrafted with high-grade materials. So go ahead today and check out NaomiCrafted.com and find the bag that's right for you. Don't forget to use my code MHB20 for 20% off your order. Alright y'all, now that you know a little bit more about Naomi Jones and NaomiCrafted.com, let me show you the bag that she sent me, and I'll show you how it came packaged and the unboxing. Alright y'all, so this bag here is the Upcycled Hèrmes Dust Bag Garden Party Bag in the 36 size, and this is in the black leather. It also comes in a brown leather as well. This exquisite garden party bag is a testament to sustainable luxury. Crafted from an upcycled Hèrmes dust bag, it combines eco-friendly practices with high-end fashion. The bag features premium grainy leather accents in black, making it a sophisticated and unique accessory for any fashion-forward individual. Some key features of this bag are the upcycled Hèrmes dust bag fabric, crafted from authentic Hèrmes dust bags, giving new life to luxury materials. High-quality grainy leather accents provide durability and a luxurious finish. Spacious interior, ample space to carry all of your essentials with elegance. Elegant design, perfect for both casual and formal occasions. The dimensions of the bag are: the length is 14.17 inches, or 36 centimeters. The height is 7.28 inches, or 18.5 centimeters. The depth is 3.15 inches, or 8 centimeters. And to care for the dust bag fabric, spot clean with a damp cloth and avoid use of harsh chemicals. Whether you're headed to a casual brunch or a formal event, this bag ensures you do so in style. Explore more unique and eco-friendly fashion pieces at naomicrafted.com. Alright y'all, as you can see in the unboxing, the bag came with this really nice dust bag that it came in, so it protects the bag in shipping. So that was a really nice touch from Naomi. Thank you, Naomi. And y'all, here is the bag. Look how beautiful this tote is. This is gonna be my new favorite bag. Thank you for sending it, Naomi. I really appreciate it. Let me go over a 360 of the bag and then we'll go over some closer details of it. Y'all, this leather on it, I'm just gonna tell you right now, the leather on it feels so soft and super nice. Let me show you a 360 of the bag and we'll go over some close-up details after that. So this is the front side of it. You've got your sides here. That is the back side of it. The other side, and then I'll show you the bottom. Just superior quality, and y'all, she hand makes all of these bags in her studio at her home. So really nice. She has all kind of different creations too. I follow her on her WhatsApp and her Instagram page, and she always is posting stuff about these really beautiful creations out of sequins and different pieces of fabric and materials from older luxury items that she gets to create her creations. It's a really unique thing. So if you haven't followed Naomi yet on Instagram, I'll go ahead and put all of her information in the description to this video. All right, now that we've seen a 360 of the bag, let me show you some close-up details. Now, if y'all like this bag and want to get one of Naomi's creations off her website, go ahead and use my discount code. It's MHB20 for 20% off any order. I'll post it in the description of the video as well. So let me show you some close-ups of this beautiful bag. As you move up, you're gonna have your authentic dust bag logo here from Hèrmes, from the dust bag. And like I said, this canvas here all is made from an authentic dust bag. And y'all, just look at the leather, the grain on that leather. And I'm telling you right now, in my hands, the leather feels so nice. Just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I just love the style of this bag. Just looks very sleek and elegant. The handles are super nice as well. They just feel really good in my hands, y'all. The leather just feels so nice. All right, and I'm gonna show you the side of it here. Now on the side of it, you have this leather accent going all the way up. And in the middle here, you're gonna have a button that you can close to make it have a little bit more of a cinched look to it, which I really like. And it's just some buttons. Everything doesn't have Hèrmes logos on it. It's just those two rivets there. Okay, and you've got plenty of room inside this giant tote. And y'all know I love a big bag, so plenty of room for me and perfect for me. All right, y'all, so you have a zipper as well in there, a little zipper pocket, and really nice details. You also are gonna have a snap on the inside here to close it. So once you snap those closed, your bag is pretty much closed from the top. Nobody can get in there at all. So really nice. I love this bag, Naomi. Also, y'all, along the tops of this bag, you do have a leather trim as well there. Let me show you the bottom of it. It's that same soft, grainy leather on the bottom. Just a beautiful piece. I'm so glad to add this to my collection. It's such a beautiful tote too. All right, y'all, so this is the upcycled Hèrmes dust bag garden party bag in the 36 size in the black leather. It's so beautiful, and I appreciate you for sending it to me, Naomi. I hope everybody enjoyed my review. Like I said, if you'd like to get one of Naomi Crafted's creations, go ahead and use my code MHB20 for a discount of 20%. Also, for any of Naomi's contact info, go ahead and look in the description of this video. And for any other questions, you can always email me at madhatterbags@gmail.com. Of course, I'd be happy to answer your questions. With that being said, y'all, don't forget to check out my direct me and subscribe to the channel as well. And please take time out to give this video a like. I do appreciate that. I'll see everybody on my next video review, okay? Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.